very, very late.
Hey y'all, we're heading to lunch across on the ferry.
What do you call the ferry?
There's Michelob. You messed it all up, Aja. Woohoo! Pull it out!
I build a home and wait for someone to tear it down.
Cars.
So we made it, but the parking really sucks here. We went ahead and just parked here. We're pulled way back because there's a stone there. But needless to say, we're in the dirt. So there's a lot of people getting stuck out here. There's the river. Looks pretty. Super duper cloudy today.
Is that the ferry?
That's just a pontoon boat. So we are gonna go get on the ferry. Kids have never been on one, so that'll be really fun for all of us. Daddy stayed home today. He's not feeling well. And he's babysitting the dogs, and Moomoo's over there too. So it's just us and the kids today. And Romeo, we're meeting Danny here, and then Mick, Colleen, Aja, and then us.
I like your hats.
Thank you.
Sharon made.
One made for me.
You'll have to ask Sharon. She has a bunch. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful fountain. Look at the dragon, guys. That is so pretty. Cheese. Oh, sweet. Everyone say hello. Just videoing the kids looking cute, running around.
He gave these to us and he said something about a picture.
Yeah, you get to decorate that. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And if you want to color the bridge, there is a little table with
There's a table?
and
We're going to be riding the ferry across.
okay.
It's really pretty. They even have bike rentals. Look at that little cutie. Oh my God, he's so cute.
Kids in with it.
Look at that. Hi.
Look over there.
Jackpot.
Guy farmed over there in race battle.
Did we say we found Romeo or not?
Yes, ma'am. They're right behind us.
Look at that. Oh.
If we miss this ferry, we're gonna eat and maybe see if we can catch the next one.
And vlog. Watch where you're watching.
What do you mean by vlog?
That's record yourself.
Oh.
Don't cover the camera.
I'll try not to. Hi.
You know you're not recording yourself, right?
I know.
Okay.
I noticed that.
Jocelyn, why don't you come get the selfie vlog? Why didn't I bring my selfie stick?
I don't know. Why didn't you? So they could just hold it like
Because
this.
I forgot.
See, Mommy,
Ooh,
there's
that's
stairs.
neat. Hello. Ooh, the first thing you see is popcorn when you walk in a restaurant. You know you're at the right place. See the pigeon?
Oh, how cute. The pigeons. They look like a married couple. Don't they? They're so cute. Look at those. That one's following that one. Oh, so cute.
Over there.
Cute. Rattlesnake in the side.
Let me see. Which one's the coral?
The coral
Right
is
here.
red.
Well, you know what they say? Red and yellow kill a fellow, red and black, friend of Jack. That means if the red and black are together, it's not poisonous, and if the red and yellow are together, it is. That's the saying. I don't know if it's true or not. And hopefully I won't ever have to encounter that. But this one looks like it's a poisonous snake because it's red and yellow. Ooh, see how the red is touching the yellow?
Okay.
What did you get over here?
I got a book. It's an activity book. And I got...
Ooh.
Yeah.
Word search.
And the first page has questions.
Oh, so you could like use it to study stuff about Arizona? Okay, because see, we have books like this in your homeschool studies. We have all the states, and then we have all the birds and flags and license plates and what?
And
the capitals.
capitals.
Yep. Cool. There's Jackpot again. He loves you guys. Go pet him. He's the coolest. Sunglass wearing blue heeler.
Usually on Wednesday we see the handicapped kids, but we didn't see them today.
Aww. Yeah?
And she loves Jackpot.
Aww. Everybody loves Jackpot. So this is like his home away from home, right? Because he comes every day and greets all the children and stuff. That's really nice.
Young and old.
Is he a service dog for you, or is he the therapy pet for other people?
Service dog for me.
Oh, I love that.
I've had him since he was 7 weeks old.
Oh. Isn't that cool? Made a flower bed out of it, huh? That's neat. It demonstrates how it works.
I'm late. I'm very, very late. Look, that right there. Where is it? Right there. It's right here. Oh, okay.
Do you see any others?
I see something here, and this one. It's a bobcat. Yeah. Coyote.
That's a coyote.
That looks like a wolf, but it's a coyote. We saw one when we were driving back to our old house. Ooh.
To get your ticket at this little kiosk, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. We're about to board the ferry. Kids' first time on a ferry, so that'll be fun. Here we go. Well, hello there. That's cool. That's the coolest. Howdy. Neat. Hold tight. Hold on, okay? Woo!
slowed down, and I think we made it to another channel.
Yes! So pretty.
Everybody's gonna come and exit here. So that means we're gonna be the first one to exit.
Yeah. Uncle Mick.
Her name's Asia, not Asia.
She likes it when I
And we're gonna go over here to the restaurant and have some lunch. Thank you, sir. Okay, here's what we're having for lunch. Just kidding.
Look at that.
Ooh, look at the water wall. Beautiful restaurant on the water, guys. Stunning views. We're ready to eat. Look at this view. What a stunning view. Look at that water. It's so amazing. So this looks amazing, but we're into March and this is a favorite fall flavor. I'm wondering if I should try this or not. Fish and chips. What'd y'all get? Chicken strips. And you got build your own PB&J with fries. PB&J with fries? Uncle Mick bought y'all an apple dumpling. So dig in and see if you like it. This is the ice cream. This is the apple dumpling game when I was a kid.
Tim,
Conway? No.
yeah, it is. Tim
Was it?
Conway.
Yep.
And, I don't even remember. It's been years ago.
See how you like it. It's hot and cold all at the same time.
No, you don't care for apple dumpling.
Here, I'll help you. Look. I'll give you a bite of the ice cream. It's vanilla bean, it looks like. And then the syrup. And there's, get it. And then there's an apple under there too. And once we get down to it, I'll cut it up for you. Anybody like it?
I like it a lot, Jimmy.
Thank you.
I thought it was like
Okay, so I cut up the apple and cut up the ice cream for you guys so you can try it a little better now. See the steam coming out of that apple dumpling? It's more like a bread pudding almost. Interesting. What do you think? I know you're kind of like me, but the ice cream is good, and then maybe the syrup, and I like the apple by itself. I tried a little bite of it. It's kind of tart in the middle where the apple is cooked. Neat, huh? Your first apple dumpling experience? So that was a successful lunch. It was very good, and the kids are enjoying their apple dumpling from Uncle Mick. He got them a treat, so thank you. And everyone enjoyed their meal. So that was a nice afternoon, and the sun's coming out. Today!
It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help.
Oh my God.
It's shake and bake, and we didn't even have to help.
It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help.
Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay.
It's shake and
Wait,
bake.
You gotta start together.
Okay. And
It's shake and bake, and I didn't have to help.
we, lady. Okay. And go.
It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help. It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help. It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help.
Again.
It's shake and bake, and we didn't help.
Good job.
Look at me and do it.
And go.
It's shake and bake, and we didn't have to help.
No.
Oh!
You gotta do my skit with me.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Okay.
So here we are, just waiting for the ferry. After we had lunch, we're just hanging out here in this beautiful atmosphere and take it all in. Listen to the pretty birds chirping. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's just kind of chilly. And it's very nice out. It's such a view.
Oh look, you can win this.
Oh, the e-bike. Oh, it's not too smoky. So the kids are not allowed in the casino, obviously, and the kids are not allowed to walk down the dock here. So now we have 30 minutes to sit and wait for the ferry. But nonetheless, lunch was great. The ferry ride was awesome. So we're on our way back to Arizona. Across the river, across the Colorado. Here we go. Boogie, oogie, oogie.
It was neat how the other time when we were on the ferry, or when we were on the ferry, we got to be over there outside on the deck, and the water hit my face. It was fun.
Yeah, it was. Have a good time today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're getting ready to exit the boat. How was it? Yeah, it was. It was so much fun. You got left behind, eh?
Are you Canadian?
Yes, eh?
Oh, it's that.
We get to ride back on the golf cart.
And we had to stick Ethan in the middle so that our hips didn't rub together and cause a fire.
Friction. Bye-bye now. We're leaving them back at the dock.
This is fun.
Yeah, this is gas powered. Ours was electric. Woo! This is much more powerful. I like power.
Oh yeah, I smell the gas.
It's because you farted.
Not that kind of gas, but thanks for smelling.
Oh, I thought I smelled some natural gas.
Nacho
Nacho gas.
Some
nacho gas.
Yeah,
That's
that
it.
was a short trip.
That was,
Thank you.
That was weak, but actually it was strong.
That was the best part of the whole trip.
Go jump Danny. Her battery's dead at In-N-Out Burger. That's where she parked, so let's go jump her real quick. Oh yeah, I think she said she has cables, but yeah, where's my van?
Over here.
Oh, we have to go jump Danny.
Wait. So where are we going?
We have to go jump Danny at the In-N-Out.
You have to go jump Danny?
Yes, at the In-N-Out.
Oop.
So you just have a dead battery, or did you leave lights on?
But I left my computer plugged in to charge,
Aww.
and it drained my battery
Yeah.
down to 10.
At least it's not, we know it's not just because of the alternator or something.
No, I think I can't hook up because it charges continually from my
yeah.
USB port.
That's what happened to my van. I left something plugged in and it, remember I had to get a new battery a few months ago?
This part is scary.
Well, there's nothing scary until you
Battery!
get one battery completely connected, so I only do brown, because everything's brown.
Black on black, red on red.
Yeah, but the order you do it on is kind of important.
We're going to take the key out.
So back to base camp, back home, and the kids have to continue with their schoolwork today because it's Wednesday. So off we go. We're finishing our day, and then we probably won't need dinner till later. So we'll have probably a light dinner, maybe a salad or something later tonight. So we're not hungry now, but we will be tonight. We might grab, like I said, a salad. And we'll see you next time on Full Tiny House. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all had as much fun as we did. We really enjoyed our time in California today. Bye.